Creating an in-mail ad. Hey there, my friends. Let's now show you how to set up the last type of LinkedIn ad available with the Campaign Manager, the in-mail ad. Start in the Campaign Manager while already logged into your ad account and click on Create Campaign. Now locate the in-mail ads option in the campaign type selection page and click on its corresponding select text link. Now enter your campaign information. Start by entering a name for your in-mail ad campaign in the campaign name field. Then choose your campaign's target language in the target audience language menu. Now select what you want to happen after members click on your ads. And just like when you set up your sponsored content campaign, you will have the option to either send people to your website or content or to collect leads using LinkedIn lead gen forms. For this example, we are going to select the Send People to Your Website or Content option. Now click on Next to start setting up your in-mail ad content. The first step is to enter your new in-mail ad name in the Sponsored In-Mail Ad Name field. Now select your in-mail sender. The ad accounts admin will be selected as a sender by default, but you can use the Add Sender option to send a request to another user to be added as the sender of the in-mail. Now click on Next to start creating your subject line and message content. Start by entering your subject line in the subject line field. Make sure to always keep your subject lines concise, relevant, and conversational. And always strive to add value to your subject lines by adding keywords such as thanks, exclusive invitation, connect, and opportunities. Now your message should be crafted in a conversational tone and be kept under 1,000 characters. Make sure to use the Insert Custom Fields menu to add custom salutations at the beginning of your messages. Once you are finished crafting your in-mail message, click on Next. On the following page, you will have to insert your sponsored messages landing page and call to action. Start by entering your landing page link in the landing page URL field. Now define your call to action by entering your call to action text in the call to action button field. You can optionally add a banner creative to your sponsored message by clicking on the image upload box and uploading a banner or image from your computer. Once you have made your changes to this page, simply click on Next. In-mail ads will also give you the option to edit, duplicate, and manage tracking on your ad, as well as to create another ad during the campaign setup. And you will simply have to click on Next if you are not going to edit, duplicate, manage tracking, or create ad variations. The next step is the audience creation and targeting setup. The audience targeting setup options for in-mail ad campaigns are the same we showed you previously, as you will be able to select to use a matched audience, to retarget website visitors, or to target a list of accounts or contacts, or to use a saved audience to target by going to the Target By menu and selecting the Applying Previously Saved Template option. Once again, we are going to select the Audience Below option to set up our target audience. We start by selecting our target locations in the What Locations Do You Want to Target section by typing the name of our target locations in the Locations field and then selecting whether to include or exclude them from our targeting. Now you will have to select your specific targeting criteria. We are going to target the same criteria we did in our previous video by selecting company industry and including hospital and healthcare as our first targeting criteria. Then selecting job title and including purchasing agent as our second targeting criteria. Once you select your targeting criteria, you will have to select whether to enable or not audience expansion. We recommend you to enable. Now click on Next to move on to the next step, where you will have to set up your budget and schedule. Now, in-mail ads are paid by a cost per send basis, which means that you will bid per each prospective member that you will send your in-mail messages to. Because cost per send will be selected by default as the only bid type, you will simply have to enter your daily campaign spend in the daily budget box, and then to enter your maximum bid amount on the bids box. Now select to start immediately or to schedule start on the campaign start date section. Click on Show End Date, Total Budget, and Ad Rotations options to adjust your campaign's end date using the calendar function, or select to run indefinitely. Enter a maximum budget amount in the total budget box and adjust your ad rotation settings if you have more than one ad running on the campaign. Finally, click on Next to go to the Payment Details and Launch page to review your campaign details and to enter your payment method if you haven't done so already. Then click on Review Order and wait for your sponsored in-mail ad campaign to launch. And that's it.